Oh my God, you guys. I just got this automatic cat laser toy from Amazon, and I am obsessed. My cat literally would not leave me alone while I worked, constantly meowing, knocking things over. It was chaos. So I found this adorable little gadget, and wow! It creates random laser patterns, not boring circles like other toys. You can adjust the angle so it covers your whole room, and it's rechargeable. Now my cat plays for hours while I actually get stuff done. Best part? It's only $25 on Amazon. Link is in my bio. Your cat is gonna love this. Trust me.